Hello there, my friends, and welcome to day number 20 of this 30-day content marketing strategy, where I take you by the hand and walk you step by step by giving you content ideas that you can use to create content to help you generate leads for your business for 30 days. Now, if you've missed the rest of the videos, don't worry, I got you back. There's a link in the description to a playlist. Just go from the first video, watch the video, clone it, make it your own. And if you are interested in learning directly from my millionaire mentor, stick around to the very end because I have an exciting bonus for you. So my name is Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of 2 children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, and I'm actually going for my second year degree next Monday, starting that. And while I'm studying full-time and taking care of my kids full-time, I'm actually building my business part-time. Now, what I do is I help moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so they can finally fire the boss and spend more quality time with the children, because I've been there working, exchanging my time for money and living paycheck to paycheck and not having enough time or money to actually take care of my children, right? So if you are that mom in that situation, you're in the right place at the right time. Now, for the past 5 videos, we've talked about a 5-day challenge that you can use to generate leads for your business, right? The topic is up to you, but what I did was I shared with you 5 simple steps to building a successful digital business. So today is day 6 of that 5-day challenge. It's just a bonus day where I want to give you a bonus tip, right? So before I give you the bonus, let me recap on what the 5 steps are. So every day for the past 5 days, I shared with you 1 step, right? So day 1 of the challenge, I shared with you how you should actually spend time researching your niche, right? Pick a niche that you are interested in, you're passionate about, because you're going to have to talk about that niche every day if you're going to be successful, right? But there's no point in you picking a niche that you're excited about, passionate about, but there's no demand for it, right? So it has to be in demand. It has to be an evergreen niche that's going to be here next year, next month, years to come, right? That's not just a fad that's going to go away. And if you can go digital, it's great. That way you can actually deliver the product instantly. And you can have a global business. You can be here in Ireland and you can have customers in the States, in Africa, Asia, wherever across the world, if you have a digital program. And finally, if you can actually get paid 100% commissions, paid directly to you, cut out the middleman altogether, then you're doing great, okay? And then step number 2 was that you need to stop working hard and start working smart by automating your business, right? Set up your business so that it's out there working for you 24/7 so that you can actually do the things that you love with the people that you love. So the way you do that, you have a system that allows you to capture your prospects' information. Ideally, you should give them something of value for free in exchange for that information, right? So they give you an email and you deliver something that they need, right? And then once you capture the information, you should have a series of emails going out to them, right? Because most people need to see come across your product about 7 times before they make a buying decision, right? And then the next thing is your system needs to take them through the buyer journey, right? It needs to do the selling and telling for you. Your job as a marketer is not to spend your time explaining your product or service to other people, right? You should have tools that are there doing the selling and the telling, right? So if you not tech savvy, you don't have the time to put an automated marketing system working for you, then we actually have a done for you system. You just need to attach it to your domain and then make it your own, set up your payment links, everything's shown for you. But the capture pages, the lead magnets, the autoresponder, the funnels, sales pages, everything is done for you, okay? So Stop promoting your company link directly because you're not building your list, right? Start to build your own list using an automated marketing system. Now, step number 3, once you have the system set up, is that you need to stop wasting your time on social media, scrolling, liking, and commenting for no reason, and actually turn those social media profiles that you're on already, turn them into your ATMs, right? Turn them into lead generation machines. Turn them into your storefronts, right? So what I mean by that is that when your target audience is going past your social media, you treat that as your storefront, right? Make it attractive so that they want to come in, right, into your store. And the way they come into your store is by looking at your content, consuming your content. And if they like what they see, they'll actually opt into your automated marketing machine, right? So it's very important that from now on, you treat those platforms as your lead generation machines, as your storefront, right? You set them up correctly as a business, and they actually can drive, they can help you fuel the automated machine, right? Step number 4 is that you then, what you then do is, like, this is your automated marketing system. In the middle, you have all these storefronts. You have Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, whatever storefronts you have. What you need to do is you need to siphon people, your target audience, from those storefronts and into your machine, right? Every single day, people should be coming from the storefronts into your machine, and then that machine then takes over and does the selling and the telling for you, right? So you need to use attraction marketing to attract your target audience. And the way you do that is like content, right? If you can show your face, all good, like I am, it's the fastest way to build a relationship with your target audience, get them to know, like, and trust you. But if you don't want to just show your face, we have what you call faceless marketing, where you don't have to show your face, you can just create faceless content, right? So once you do that, you have all these things set up. Then the last thing is step number 5, was how you activate multiple income streams. So let me ask you this: would you rather have one income stream or unlimited income streams? The more the merrier, the more the better, yeah? But you don't want to have be promoting different opportunities all the time. You want to promote the additional income streams through your one link, right? So you have one link that's branding you, that's capturing your prospects' information, and in the back end, then you can promote multiple income streams. Once you build relationships with your target audience, get them to know, like, and trust you. Okay, so now that we've gone through those steps, what I want to share with you is, let me quickly show you what our marketing system looks like, and let me quickly show you how I've set up my social media platforms. Okay, so this is the capture page, done for you capture page that we have, right? So you can see here, I'm giving away an interactive 10K in 30 days guide, and in exchange for just your email, right? So when you put your email here, I will deliver the guide to you and give you access to, by the way, you can actually click this link in the description right now. I'll give you access to a private members or community of entrepreneurs that you can actually get inspired by the success, ask questions and all that, right? So this here, I didn't have to create this, figure out the text, the copy, everything was done for me, right? So once that you opt in here, this is a done for you thank you page that actually lets you know the email is on its way to you, your guide, and there's a video there that does the explaining. It introduces you to the product. There's testimonials there, and then here you can click here to learn more. Okay, so again, what this machine is doing, once I'm out there living my life, the machine is out there doing the selling and the telling for me, right? Until the person gets to click here to get started. Pause this. And then what else do I want to share? I want to share with you just an example. I'll show you Facebook, I suppose, right? How I have my Facebook. This is my storefront, right? I was never on Facebook before before business, right? The only reason I'm on Facebook is because I'm on social media. All social media platforms I'm using them as lead generation machines. Okay, so this is my you can see my Facebook profile. This is my storefront. I treat it like a store, and here I have I'm giving away a guide, right? I'm giving away a free guide to my target audience, and they can click here to land on my capture page. They can connect with me on my different social networking sites here, and so on and so forth, okay? So this, my friends, is my storefront. I'm not here wasting time. Every action I take in my store is to get people to get into my automated marketing machine, okay? So if you are interested in learning more about this, learning from my millionaire mentors, learning the skills to build and grow a successful digital business, I have some exciting bonuses that are available for you until midnight, right? The first one is, I'm just going to pick and choose a few of them. But this here, if you don't want to show your face, this is great because you can learn how to build an invisible empire. It's an ebook and a video. And it goes well with this Canva crash course that takes you step by step on how to use Canva. Our mentor went from 1 million to from 0 to 1 million in 17 months, and she shows you an exact walkthrough of the steps that she used. And then here is my this is a 30-day strategy growth plan. So right now I'm on day 20. All I do is I look at this growth plan, and this growth plan tells me what video to create, and I go ahead and create the video, right? And this is going to help me generate leads and sales, okay? So you can get access to that. And lastly here, this digital community is absolutely priceless. You see the value here is priceless because you can actually get Q&A. You can ask any questions. We have a community of like-minded people to support you. We have interactive Zoom coaching and training sessions that you can get access to. So let me show you what that looks like here, okay? Here we have 38,940 members and growing. And here is a calendar where we get access to live coaching and interactive mentorship, right? The CEO of Repurpose was on to us yesterday, mentoring us. We had a tech call when you need to set up your system once you set it up, it's done. If you have any issues, you can jump on the tech call and get answers to your question. Here we got mentoring from our millionaire who created this course, went from 0 to 1 million in 17 months. She was there sharing us how she did it. It was very, very powerful. And then today is Wednesday, we have nothing. Tomorrow we have mentorship here by Tim. Tim is a husband, a father who was fired from corporate America after working 25 years. He decided to go online, and with this opportunity, he's made 6 figures in this year alone, right? So he coaches us, let's unmute ourselves, put in breakout rooms to get all the answers questions we have answered. Now the tech call, so this section here is where we get access to our live interactive and coaching, right? This is a bonus area. It's not the main platform. It's actually extra. You can actually get this as an app on your phone as well. 30-day success sprint is absolutely gold, where our millionaire mentor sends us a daily video, and right now we're on day 62, where she walks us through what we need to do on that day, right? Sometimes it's mindset, sometimes it's skill set, and we just started a 1K YouTube channel, right? How to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And again, these are practical. She gives you practical. All the replays that you missed, you can get access to them here. Content Vault, where you can download content onto your devices and upload onto your social media training, all the trainings from our members of our community. Mindset Trainer, this is from she coaches celebrities. She's been on Netflix. She coaches Olympians, even the ones that were in Paris, and she's here coaching us on mindset, right? Very, very powerful. Some of our members have actually earned 6 figures in 6 months. So they come in here and teach us not just what they've done, but what they're doing now, right? What they do on a daily basis. Very, very powerful. Again, this is a bonus site. So I want to finish off here by just sharing with you a few wins in our community. And Francie 7 hours ago said, after 4 months and 3 weeks, I received my first $300 sales. Imagine that. In the program for 4 months and 3 weeks, going up to 5, she made her first $300 sale, right? I nearly felt like giving up after I lost my first salon. And then she says all those things, right? Carla, maybe 64 leads in one day, right? Congratulations, well done. That's a win, absolutely. I did it, Caroline, 13 hours ago. I achieved my 10K in 30 days. Congratulations. Thank you. She's thanking Michelle. Christy, what I did to earn 13,531 days. She talks about what she did there, right? 13,530 days. What I made in 4 hours. It took me 80 hours working 9 to 5. Imagine, he used to work 80 hours working 9 to 5, and he made the same amount in 24 hours. 2 days ago, I reached my milestone of $10,000. 24 hours later, I made an additional 1,200. You guys, committed, consistent, and being coachable are the 3 C's, right? I love that. I love the 3 C's. Committed, consistency, and coachable, right? Congratulations, Terry. So excited for you. Fred, 21 hours ago, my first $900 sell. I upgraded to 900 7 days ago and made my first $900 sell. Okay, so when you make one sale at the level you're at, you've broken even, right? Absolutely fantastic. So we have a proven blueprint, right? So you might be wondering, will this work for me? It will work for you if you work it, right? You will learn the skills to build a successful digital business. You don't have to promote this opportunity. You can use the skills to promote whatever you want. But we do have hundreds and thousands of our community members who are sharing their results on a daily basis, right? So if it will work for you, if they can do it, so can you. If I can do it, so can you, right? But it all starts with clicking the link below and grabbing your free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide. I will send it to you via email. Please check your email. Make sure that you get access to the private members area where you can see more proofs, ask any questions, and please respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm more than happy to record a video for you, screen share, and answer any questions that you might have, because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic